up, everybody? How's it going? What's up? What's up? How's everybody doing? Hey, Renato. What's up, everybody? Just hopped on really quickly. I just got back from a pretty nice night out. Hey, how's it going? What's up? So just got back from a really nice night out, with a couple of friends, and here's what we discussed. All right, so I just wanted to walk you through it because it's like we have a mastermind group. How's it going, man? Hey, what's up from Memphis? So as friends, we all are entrepreneurs, right? We're all entrepreneurs, we're all traders, and so we just hung out. We went for a couple of drinks. We had some nice dinner, and here's what we talked about, right? We were talking about like new resolutions, right? And I think this is something that I've already brought on with you guys before, but I wanted to walk you through what we talk about, right? As entrepreneurs, as millionaires, when we go out for dinner, right? It's not all drinks and fun, right? It's all there. Drinks and fun is there, but what we really talk about is how do we get to the next level, right? If we're a millionaire, how do we get to multi-millionaire? If you're a multi-millionaire, how do we get to billionaire, right? So we talked about that tonight. And I wanted to walk you through what we talked about, okay? So we talked about New Year resolution, right? So what's the typical way people think about New Year's? They think, all right, 1st January, I'm going to make this commitment and I'm just really going to kill it, right? I'm going to kill it from first New Year, 1st Jan. What happens at 10th of Jan? Almost everybody gives up and then they never follow through on their goal. So here's what we discussed, right? And as you can see, I've already had quite a few for drinks. So I want to give it to you straight, okay? And then I'm going to hop off to hang out with my friends. So here's what we discussed. Let's change the whole parameter about New Year resolution. Let's just change it all, okay? And here's what we discussed. We discussed rather than, make our goals, rather than make our plans, right? Rather than set our goals for the new year, why don't we start making that decisions now? Why don't we start taking action now? And by the time the new year is actually here, we've already accomplished 25% or 50% of our new year resolution. So when the new year actually comes in, bam, we're on target. And before you know it, by 1st Feb, by 1st March, we've already made and we already reached our goals, okay? So now my goals personally are to take my company to the next level. My goal is to open several other companies, okay? My goal is to destroy everybody in the trading education industry and to take it to the next level. And here's how I'm going to do it, okay? I'm going to share with you guys, all right? So if you're one of those traders who maybe in the future wants to open up their own company, you can do it, all right? So here's my goal. What's up? So my goal is to, take this whole trading education industry to the next level. And here's how I'm going to do it, all right? And let me tell you why I can do it. Why I can do it is because I actually fucking trade. Okay, so, sorry to abuse my language. I've had a couple of drinks, but I want to give it to you straight. No, no curtains behind anything. No bullshit. Why I can do it is because I actually fucking trade. Okay, I make 99% of my money trading. Right, this whole trading education business that I have is like 1% of what I do. Make trading. Okay, so what I really want to do it and take it to the next level is to destroy my competition out of the water. And here's how I'm going to do it, okay? So how I'm going to do it is by giving it to people real. I'm going to start publishing my real account statements online, number 1. I'm going to verify my accounting statements online, number 2. I'm going to get a published firm to audit my statements and give it to them online. So now I can destroy everybody in the trading education industry, okay? Because I've been humble. Right? I'm a really humble guy. I mean, I don't like to show off or do anything like that. But one thing I've realized is people in the trading education industry, especially students, they like to see all of that. Guess what? I'm going to show them, okay? So we're going to show off that, and I'm going to publish my audited statements online. You guys can see exactly what I'm doing, what I'm not doing. And there's something cool that I wanted to show you is my new website that's going to be pretty soon. livetraders.net. You can see that, new website. It's going to be coming up pretty soon. It is freaking awesome, okay? It's going to be freaking awesome, and real testimonials, real everything, and it's just going to be fantastic. So that's one way I'm going to do it. The other way I'm going to I might start opening the room. I've been getting a ton of emails. Hey, Anmol, you're a great trader. You're one of the best traders we've ever met, but you don't really open the trading room. And the reason why I never did that is because, when you're trading live, it's really hard to, actually trading in the moment. I'm risking $1,000 in one single minute. It's really hard for me to run a trading room, okay? But I think I'm going to start doing it. I'm just going to start sharing my screen, and I'm just going to start doing it. People see me trade live, and then they might actually get what I'm trying to say, okay? And the other thing that I'm going to try and do is, for those who've already taken the PTS course, or who already taken our trading courses, right? If they take it before the end of the new year, I'm going to share with them every single thing I know about trading. After that, I'm just going to close everything off. Forget education, forget everything, right? So people who take it before the new year, great. I'm going to share with you every one of my strategies. But after the new year, I'm just going to stop. Because, I'm like a conspiracy theorist, okay? So when I see every single person in the world, using my strategies to trade, what ends up happening is that it takes away, my edge, right? It takes away my edge. I start getting slippage on my trades. I start getting all of that stuff, and what ends up just happening is that, I start losing my edge. Like, Jared and Jay, right? So Jay is an awesome trader, right? He makes bank every single day. So Jay makes a lot of money trading. Don't get me wrong, right? So if you were to put me with any other trader, I would say, Jay and me, Jay is probably maybe, he's just beyond what anybody could think of. Okay, he makes a lot of money trading. He manages corporate accounts. He manages accounts for several other firms. He manages a live traders account. He manages swing trade newsletter. He's one of the greatest traders I've ever known. All right. So what we want to do is we want to get to where all those traders are at. All right. You want to get to where all the big traders are trading. So what you really want to do is you don't want to compare yourself with education firms. You don't want to compare yourself with. What you want to do is you want to compare yourself to trading education firms that actually do what they're talking about, okay? So now you compare the big trading firms. There's like so many trading firms out there, right? Everybody teaches education. Now here's what I want you to do. How many of them actually get on and trade live with you, right? Think about that. There's some trading education people who have 5,000, 4,000, trading students in their firm, okay? They have like 4,000 trading students in their firm. Did you ever stop and think about for a second how many of them actually trade? Did you just think about it? How many of the people actually show you their results? Just stop for a minute and think about it. Right? I can assure you, 99% of them won't show it. But yet, me, Jared, and Jay, right? Especially Jay, he gets on live in front of thousands of students watching online, watching him trade. Did you guys even imagine the pressure that we guys go through? Did you guys imagine the pressure that Jay goes through? Did you imagine the pressure that I go through? Right? No. What happens when we're trading live in front of you and we lose $2,000? Did you guys even stop and think about that? How does it feel if I lose $2,000 in front of you? How does it feel if Jay loses in front of you? Did you guys even stop and think about that? Probably not, right? So think about how much guts it takes for people to trade live in front of you, right? And I'm not talking live just that they're sharing their charts and then they're showing you the setups. I'm talking about actually putting on your own account statements online, your account number online, and actually executing the trades from your keyboard right in front of you. Did you guys even stop and think about that? Yeah? It takes, let's even excuse censoring. It takes balls, okay? It takes balls of steel to trade live in front of people. Because if you win, we're heroes. We lose, we're zeros, right? So just stop and think about that. How many people are actually willing to trade and execute their orders live in front of you? Not just show you the charts and say, oh yeah, this trade looks really good. And then 10 days later they come online. Wow, I said, hey, that trade looks higher 10 days, ago, actually show you their position statements that they themselves put on the statement. So going into the new year's, Live Traders has got a lot to plan. They've got a lot planned for you guys, right? We've got a new website coming up. We've got a hedge fund coming up. We've got a personal corporate accounts coming up. We've got so many things planned. The Forex trading room coming up. We've got so much planned that it's just gonna hit you with a second. All right. They're all recorded, posted after 1 month. Exactly, right? Exactly. They will all record it. So what they do, let me just give you the inside scope of the trading education industry, okay? Here's how it works. And I can tell you because I'm in the industry, right? So what people do is they record every single trading day, right? They record every single day that they trade. And when after a month, they find one winning day, they'll post a video of that one winning day. Yeah? They will post a video of that one winning day. Did you ever stop to ask, hey, okay, so you posted one winning day. You made $3,000 in one winning day. What happened 19 other trading days, right? What happened 19 other trading days that you traded? What happened? What did you do in the 19 other trading days, right? Why don't you want to show that? You know why? They lost money. Okay, that's simple as that. They lost money. So what we're trying to do with Live Traders is that our hedge funds coming up, our swing newsletters, full gear taken forward, and we posted the P&L as well. All right. So let me show you this. All right. I'm going to log into my Facebook right here, really quick. I'm going to log into my Facebook and I'll show you the trade that Jay and me took in our corporate account. And the way corporate accounts work is that Jay and me, we've pooled in our money together. So whatever we make from the education business, we pulled it into one corporate account. And what we do with that one corporate account is that we trade every single trade that we call in the Swing Trade newsletter. And here's what I want you to see what happened. Check this out. Check this out. Check this trade. So we called it short in the newsletter right here, $64. Okay? Look at that stock. Dropped to less than 50 in a matter of weeks. 1 week, 2 weeks. Look at our profit statement. 21,000. Do you think it's fake? Check this out. Sold it at 63.44. 63.44 right here. Bought it at 52.50 right here. You guys see that, right? ADPT, ADPT. So how many of other people are willing to show you their account statement? I dare you, even if it's demo. So even if people are showing you their demo account, hey, can you show me that you actually took the trade? They won't even show you their demo account. Because guess what? They never took that trade. They never have the balls to take that trade. All right, so here's one thing we started with Live Traders. This is only for members, right? So if you're not a member, I apologize. You can't access these webinars. But Jay started a really cool concept. It's called premium webinars. These premium webinars are only held for our trading education members, for our trading room members, for our students, right? And we're going to be launching our hedge funds where our students are going to be eligible to trade my capital. Thanks, Renato. Yeah, I heard Jay killed it. I got tons of emails saying, Jay just destroyed the seminar. He just basically gave so much value that it's insane, right? And that is our goal, right? Our main goal is this, right? I don't care if you guys don't pay. Frankly, I don't, right? I don't care, because what I'm going to do, let's say Live Traders makes X amount of money from education. I'm just going to take that money, I'm just going to put it in our corporate account, and I'm going to trade it live in front of you guys. As simple as that. So I don't really care about that. What I care about is, look what Jay did, right? He has a family, right? I'm single, so it's fine. But Jay's got a family, he's got kids, he's got several other things he's working on. But he took a Saturday out to teach our members. Did he have to? Right? It wasn't included in the membership. We didn't promise anything. That wasn't included in our membership, right? It was really not. But he came on a Saturday with Jared. He gave you guys massive amounts of value. And the reason why we do that is because we're not trying to build a recurring stream, right? What we're trying to build is a community full of traders who can actually trade, right? who can actually trade. So here's our goal now. I want to give you guys an inside scoop. So we're going to launching up our hedge fund. So here's how the hedge fund works. All right, Jamie and Jared have pooled up our own money. And it's not a short amount of money, guys. It's millions of dollars. We pooled together. We opened up a SEC FINRA regulated firm. So it's going to be actually our account. You're going to be trading for us. So those who show promise, those who show that they're trading really well, we're going to say, hey, our corporate account is $10 million. You know what? I'm going to give you 100,000. You trade. We're going to share the profits. That's how we make the money. So you make money. Hey, I'm going to take 20%. Right? If you don't make money, then we don't get anything. So that's how we make the money. We don't make money off your commissions. Nothing like that. So I don't care if you trade, you know, 1,000,000 shares or 1,000 shares or 5,000 shares. I'm not going to make a single dime off your commissions. What we're going to make money off. So let me be clear. This is not like a charity event. You know, what we make money off is you guys make money. So if you guys make us, you know, $100,000 in a year, I'm going to take 20,000 of that, right? 10,000 of that, you know, that's fair enough because we gave you the capital to trade, right? So I think that's fair enough. And that's how it's going to work. And we're going to be launching up our Forex trading room where I'm going to be trading live every day, which I've already been doing, and it's free, okay? So if you're watching this broadcast, you want access to the trading room, it is, well, I can't type. I've had too much drinks. It's free, okay? So it's free. Join me. I'm going to be sharing you my trades live, and Forex markets are going to open in about, you know, 2.5 hours. So I'm going to start putting on some trades, and let me, you know, show you guys what I've got planned. Sorry about that. I'm a little bit hyped up, right? I had a couple of drinks, so I've already got my agenda planned, and you know, this is what trader's homework looks like. All right, let me show you what a trader homework looks like. This is my homework. Look at that. Pair, direction. What's my entry? What's my stop? What's my target? What's my risk gonna be? Everything is already pre-planned. Everything is already pre-planned. All I gotta do is I'm gonna put on these trades with my target, with my stop loss, and I'm gonna walk away. I'm gonna walk away, you know? So it's already pre-planned, guys. It's already pre-planned. I don't kid around. This is real money because I'm not trading on a demo account like a lot of trading educators, right? I'm not trading on a $50 account. I'm trading thousands of dollars in like a minute. So for me, I gotta do my homework. If I don't do my homework, I am destroyed as a trader. I'm gonna lose everything I have. So all I have to my name is my homework. All I have to my name is my dedication. All I have to my name is my passion. And I'm gonna try and do that, right? And I do these periscopes, even though there's not many of you logged in, right? So we still do these broadcasts because I don't care. I don't care about the people who didn't log in, yeah? If the people don't log in, what do I care, right? I'm gonna still make my money, and Jay's gonna still make his money. We're gonna log off. That's it. We're gonna go play golf. We're gonna go hang out. I don't care about the people who logged in or not, yeah? What I do care about is people who logged in. If you guys are logged in, that shows me, hey, on a Sunday, you worry about your future, right? You worry about what you're gonna get in the coming years. And I'm happy to work with you for free, yeah? So, see, mentorship, I'm happy to mentor anybody for free, okay? So I'm not one of those guys who's gonna say, oh, my mentorship program, sign up for $100 a month or sign up for $5,000 a month. If you're really serious, I'll mentor you for free. If you're really serious, I'll mentor you for free. There's so many traders that I talk to on a daily basis for free. Think about that. Like, what do I got to gain from that? You guys trade or don't trade, I don't give a shit, right? All I care about is people who are actually serious. So if you're just kidding around, I'm not gonna care about anything else, right? Just think about that. Like, what do I got to gain or loss? You know, nothing. So on that note, I just wanted to hop on really quick to give you guys this motivation, and here's how I'm going to end this broadcast. So New Year resolution. Everybody says 1st of Jan 2016, I'm going to make these changes. I'm going to be X, Y, Z. I'm going to make a 6-pack abs. I'm going to lose 20 pounds. I'm going to make $100,000. I'm going to, do this or that. guess what? Why the heck don't you start now, right? Forget about New Year's, forget about New Year resolution. Why don't you start and change the whole perspective of New Year resolution? And why don't you start now so that by the time the New Year gets here, you've already achieved 25% of your goal. So when the New Year gets here, you're already ahead of 90% of the people on earth. How about that? How about that? You start now, by the time the New Year is actually here, you're ahead of 90% of the people. 90% of the people have still not even planned what their goal is. And you would have achieved 25% of that. Think about that. Now, I'm going to share with you something which is not trading related, it's not business related, it's not anything related, right? So, when I was in college, I was in good shape, right? I was in good shape. I had six-pack abs, I was ripped, okay? Then when I got into business and stuff, I actually ignored my health a little bit, right? I ignored my health a little bit. I stopped going out of the house. I just started sitting in front of my computer and making money, but then I ignored my health. And I gained about 20 kilograms. So that's about 40 pounds. I gained 40 pounds, guys. Okay? So this is 40 pounds of, gaining. So my personal plan is by the New Year comes in, I'm going to drop about 20. I'm going to drop about 20. You will see me in about a couple of months and you will say, wow, okay. I'm going to drop about 20. I already dropped about 5 in about a week. Okay? I've dropped about 5 pounds in a week. And that's, just through dedication. All right? Working out, basically. So that's my goal. And so set your own goals and try and achieve at least 25% by the time New Year actually comes in. So when the New Year comes in, bam, you're going to be killing it. You're going to be ahead of everybody else. All right? So on that note, I love you guys. I'm going to hand off. I'm going to talk to you guys later on. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little broadcast. And I'll see you guys later on. Thanks.